Hi teacher, good evening. My name is Andres Fernando Cifuentes. I am 38 years old. I am Colombian. I live in Cali. The members of my family are my mom, my dad, my daughter, my brother, my nephew, my sister-in-law, and my aunt. I am a student of the third semester of telecommunications engineer. I work at the major office and I love going to the stadium to support my favorite team, America. I also like going to the movies, watching series on Netflix and running. I don't like plants like going fishing because it takes a lot of time. My last trip was in December of 2021. I was in San Andres celebrating my honeymoon. And this year I will travel to San Andres in the month of November. As part of my vacation, we will visit the aquarium and go diving. I am so excited to travel on airplane. Goodbye, teacher.